For many people, hearing is a sensitive topic. Whether it's listening to the radio, watching TV, or just trying to listen while carrying on a conversation. Well, here's a device to assist you with that. The EarPro iQ Advanced Sound Amplifier. It's not a medical device. It's simply designed for everyone with normal hearing who wants to amplify what they hear. The sound clarity is absolutely amazing. It's small, lightweight, comfortable, and the clear tube design makes it almost invisible. Only you will know that it's there. Included is an instruction manual, a cleaning brush, and 6 rubberized earplugs in different sizes, so you can enjoy a customized fit regardless of your ear size. The battery holds approximately 100 hours of listening time, and there's an adjustable volume control. This latest sound amplification device offers the same advanced technology as many of the more expensive amplifiers do, but at a price anyone can afford. The sound quality will blow your mind. You won't be disappointed. So get started now. Supercharge your hearing. Available at fourcorners.com.